Michelle Hobbs, Biology 2005, with the model of the human cell, and representing the cell membrane is this semi-permeable butterfly net. It is supportive and it can control what comes in and what goes out. For our nucleus, we have an egg, and that contains our genetic material. For the mitochondria, we have dispersed throughout the cell. We have energizer batteries. And those are representing the making of ATP, which will power up our cell. The cells in turn will power up our body, and that will help us to do anything from reading the book, which gave us the information to be able to make this video, to going for a run, a swim, a bike ride, and any other activity that we might like to do. To continue, we need our cytoplasm, and that is represented by these bags of water. And they will help give our cell the body and make a nice cushion for the other organelles within the cell. Next, we have our Golgi apparatus, and our Golgi apparatus is represented by this great little vehicle here that my son made. And the reason that it is representing that is because it can process energy and then transport it. And that's exactly what the Golgi apparatus does. It processes and transports various things that the body gives it to do. So it's a great representation. Okay, next we have the rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum on our list, which packages proteins, fats, and carbs. Now, I don't have anything in my house that packages proteins, fats, and carbs, so Mr. Squishy, hi Mr. Squishy, donated his stomach for this today, and there it is. It's sitting right there. That's Mr. Squishy's stomach. Because the human body is so amazing, there are only so many things that we can take out of our house or even go buy in the store that would represent the great things that a cell will do for us. Okay, and now we have also the ribosomes. Oh, I skipped over one, the ribosomes. Okay, and again, ribosomes do something amazing. They synthesize protein. And I don't know about you, but I didn't have anything laying around my house that would even come close to synthesizing protein. And so I chose this bee pollen because bee pollen does some pretty amazing things. It has naturally occurring vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and fatty acids and enzymes, and it says and more. I always love it when a product says and more. So I chose that to represent the synthesize proteins, because I really couldn't think of anything that would do something like that other than a cell itself. So we're going to go with that. And finally, we have the lysosomes, and they remove toxins. And to represent those, I chose a bottle of hydrogen peroxide, which will clean something up and take out what you don't want and leave the rest. So that's what we're going to go with today. So there we have it. There's our representational model of a human cell, and obviously again we would have this cytoplasm would be filling us up, but we wouldn't be able to see all the other good stuff in there. And we'll see you next time.